Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened Blender and saved a quick backup. Now start by selecting the mesh in object mode so you don't alter other objects. Once selected, press Tab to enter edit mode. This lets you edit vertices, edges, and faces. Make sure the outliner shows the same name. Consistency prevents mistakes. From here, you can inspect topology and isolated islands before removal. Don't pause. Proceed to select the parts of the mesh you want gone. Manual or automated selections both work depending on complexity. Now that you're in edit mode, choose what to remove. Press A for everything or hover and press L to pick linked islands quickly. Once selected, hit X and pick vertices to fully remove mesh data. Choose faces if you want to keep edges or preserve modifiers. If small artifacts remain, run merge by distance or delete loose to clean up stray verts. These steps remove the geometry while keeping object transforms intact. This matters for future modifiers or parented objects, so be deliberate with your selection method. Once geometry is removed, tab back to object mode and verify the object's appearance. Apply or clear modifiers if the mesh reappears due to a form like a mirror or Boolean. If you still see geometry, check viewport visibility and the modifier stack. Sometimes a modifier recreates faces. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable X-ray and inspect origin and linked data blocks. You might be looking at a duplicate mesh or another object with the same name. Finally, save incrementally so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.